Hello everyone, good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep and welcome to this session that we are having today about bar graphs. So we shall start soon. Okay. Yes, I'm sure that I'm audible and visible to each one of you. There is no doubt about that. All operational issues are okay. I hope no issues there. Hi, good afternoon, Bablu. Good afternoon to all of you once again. So in the series of sessions where we do these different kind of LRDI sets from CAT and other examinations. So once again, we have a session today where we are going to talk about some sets which are based upon bar graphs. So today we are going to discuss bar graphs. Process would be the same as we have been doing before. So I'll be showing you a set, and after that, first you try it. After that, we do it together, and after that, we start solving it. That's a simple way of doing these questions. Okay. So let's start with the first set. Here is the first question with all of you on your screen now. So here is the table, data. Please look at this data on the basis of which there is a another data, and then we have a graph like this, and then questions would be asked on that graph. Okay. So please have a look at this. After that, we shall start solving it. All of you, start doing it now. So I'm sure all of you have read it now. Okay, it says a management institute was established on January 1, 2000 with 3, 4, 5, and 6 faculty members in the marketing, organizational behavior, finance, and operations management areas. To start with, no faculty member retired or joined the institute in the first 3 months of the year. So this is the institute was established on 1st January 2000. Nothing happened in the first 3 months, January, February, March. No one left, no one retired. In the next 4 years, the institute recruited one faculty member in each of the 4 areas. That means one faculty member was recruited in marketing, one in OB, one in OM, and one in finance. In each of them, one member was recruited. All these new faculty members who joined the institute subsequently over the years were 25 years old at the time of their joining. So at the time of joining, these all people were 25 years old, and all of them joined the institute on April 1. So nothing happened in the first 3 months, January, February, March. Then in the subsequent years, right, he says one faculty member joined in each of the 4 areas, and number of members in these 4 areas are already given to us as 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, and 5 here and 6 here. These are the number of faculty members initially. Okay. Okay. During these 4 years, one of the faculty members retired at the age of 60. During these 4 years, one of the faculty members retired. So what is he saying in this question? He is saying that in each of the areas, one member joined, whereas in one of these areas, a member retired at an age of 60. I repeat, right? In each of the areas, a member joined, but in one of these areas, a member retired at an age of 60. The following diagram gives the area-wise average age in terms of completed years of faculty members as on April 1 of 2000, 2001, 2002, and 2003. This all is given to us. It gives the area-wise average age to us on April 1, right? It is the area wise average age on April 1. So let's have a look at this graph now. As you can see on the screen, Yogita is asking CET का result कब आएगा? Yogita, no one knows about it. I think even CET people would not know about it. ठीक है, ये common है उनके साथ. So this graph is given to us. So about marketing department where we have 3 members, OB department where we have 4 members, finance department where we have 5 members, OM department where we have 6 members. See, there are 3 members in the marketing department and their average age was 49.33 in year 2000, right? It is given over here. In year 2000, their average age was 49.33. My point is, if no one would have retired or no one would have joined, next year this average age should have straight away become 50.33, isn't that? Every member would have grown old by 1 year. अगर हर आदमी की एज 1 year increase होगी, the average will also increase by 1. When every person grows old by 1, the average also increases by 1. So the average is next year should have been 50.33, but the average is next year is 44. Why is that so? That means either a member retired or a member joined. Either a member retired or a member joined. So on 1st April 2000, there were 3 members, their average age was 49.33. So can I say the total age of all these people was 148? Let us say a member joined. So on 1st April 2001, there would have been 4 members if a member joined. Their average age is 44. 4 into 44 is equal to 176. There is an increase of 28 over here. This increase of 28 tells you that these 3 members which were initially there, all of them had their age increased by 1. So 3 is an increase in their ages and a member of 25 years joined. If you guys remember this, it was already given to you that whenever a new member joins, his age is 25 years. Whenever a new member joins, his age is 25 years. So 25 plus 3, that is equal to 28, which is the increase in the age which is shown to you. Now you might have a question, sir, why are you saying that a member, joined? Because in one of the categories, a member resigned as well. So this might be that category where a member resigned. Okay, that's possible. If a member retired, then on 1st April 2001, we should have 2 members. Those 2 members having an average age of 44, the total age should have been 88, right? 2 into 44 should have been 88. The difference between them is equal to 60. Okay, a member of 60 years went out, but a member of 60 years went out. Therefore, there was a decrease of 60, but those 2 remaining members, their age must have increased by 1 year each. This total should have been 90. This total should not have been 88. Are you getting my point? There are 3 members whose total age is 148. All these 3 members should have grown old by 1 year. It should have become 151. And then a member retired at an age of 60. 151 minus 60, rather it should have been 91. Why 90? But this is showing 88. So by that logic also I can say a member did not retire, rather a member joined. There is another way for which even this was not required. What was that other way? Just look at all these figures. In marketing, first year this value decreased and then it increased by 1, it increased by 1, because when nothing happens, it should actually increase by 1. If no one is joining, no one is retiring, every member will grow old by 1 year in 1 year. So the average age of all the people would also increase by 1, right? तो इसका सीधा सीधा मतलब ये है, यहाँ ये 1 से increase है. Similarly, in OB you will see it increases by 1, 50.5 to 51.5. It again increases by 1, 51.5 to 52.5. Then there is a decrease. In case of finance, there is a decrease. There is again a decrease. And then there is an increase. Whereas in case of OM, there is a decrease and then an increase of 1 each. My point is that question has clearly told us in each of the categories, a member will join at an age of 25. And in one of the categories, a member will retire. So basically in one of the categories there might be two changes. One when a person joins, one when a person retires. In all other categories there would be one change when a person joins. Here I see that one change, here I see that one change, here I see that one change. Why there are two changes here? That means finance is the category where actually a member joined and a member retired, right? Finance is the category when a member joins and when a member retired. So this must be the category. Now, in which year the member joined and in which year the member retired, how do we get to know? The point is, whenever a person joins, he joins at an age of 25. Whenever a person retires, he retires at an age of 60. Now 60 is closer to these 50.2, 49 and all. 25 is farther from those. So when a person of 25 years would join, it would create more difference in the average. By average will decrease by more or increase by more when the number which joins or goes away, it is actually far away from the actual average. Currently the average age of a group is 20, right? एक आदमी ज्वाइन करता है 80 ईयर्स का और एक आदमी ज्वाइन करता है 30 ईयर्स का. In which case the average will change by more. It will change by more when the person of 80 years old will join, right? Similarly, when a person of 60 year would retire, the average would not change much because 60 is close to 50 and 49. But when a person of 25 years would come, it would change by more because it is farther from 50 and 49 rather than 60. So therefore, by that logic, I can say here there is a lesser decrease. So here the person of 60 years retired. Here there is a more decrease. So here is the person that joined. So I can say in OM the person joined here. In OB the person joined here. In case of marketing, the person joined here, but in case of finance, the person retired here and then joined here. That ways, these figures are there with us. I am assuming that this is all understood to all of you. Please tell me, जहां doubt हो please मुझे बताइएगा जरूर. But in my opinion, this question actually could have been done by looking at the graph, right? You did not need to completely find out कि कब retire हो रहा है, कब join कर रहा है. You could have easily calculated this कि अच्छा ठीक है यार, ज्यादा change आ रहा है average में, more change means the number is farther away, right? Lesser change means the number was closer to it. So that ways we find it out easily. Let's do some questions on this now. ठीक है, इस पे कुछ questions करते हैं. First question: from which area did the faculty member retire? We all know from finance area the faculty member retired. The answer for the first question is A, finance. Second, ये थोड़ा सा लेंदी है, अभी इस पे आते हैं, वापस आते हैं. Let's come to the question number 3. In which year did the new faculty member join the finance area? तो finance में join कब कर रहा है? I told about this. यहाँ join कर रहा है, यहाँ retire कर रहा है. So it joined in this year, which is 2002. My answer is option C, that is 2002. Fourth, what was the age of the new faculty member who joined the OM area as on April 1, 2003? So when I talk about OM area, the faculty member joined in this year, which is 2001. The faculty member joined in 2001, and whenever a person joins, he is 25 years of age. Question is asking what is his age in 2003. If in 2001 he was 25, in 2003 he was 27. So my answer should have been option C, that is 27. So 3 of the questions could have been answered just by looking at the graph. This is what my opinion is about this set. And had I been doing the CAT exam, I would have done these 3 questions and moved away rather than doing the second one, क्योंकि वो उतना ही टाइम ले लेगा जितनी देर में मैं 3 क्वेश्चन कर गया इसके. So it's not necessary to do all the questions of LRDI. It's a very important point that many people actually do not understand, because they feel if we have made the set, why don't we do all the questions? Many a times it is not necessary to do all the questions. Just do those questions which are easy to do and move away. Why to spend 3-4 questions minutes on a question when in the same time you can probably read the whole set of the next one? It's always better to do that. चलिए, I'll move to question number 2 दो, बात करेंगे इसके बारे में भी. Professors Naresh and Devesh, 2 faculty members in the marketing area. So they are in the marketing area where we had only 3 members. So one person is Naresh, one person is Devesh, and we don't know who is that third guy. Their total age was 148 years. We just calculated in 2000. 2000. 1st April 2000 को this was their total age. Okay. who have been with the institute since its inception share a birthday which falls on 20th of November. So Professor Naresh, he was born on 20th of November. Professor Devesh, he was born on 20th of November. So these two guys were born on 20th of November. One was born in 1947 and one was born in 1950. So can I say on 1st April 2000, the age of Mr. Naresh, what was his age? From 20th November 1947 to 1st April 2000. First of all, 20th November 1947 से 20th April 1999 तक, the age is 52 years. After that, I have approximately 4 more months. So it is 52 years, 4 months. What about Mr. Devesh? What was his age? Of course, he was just 3 years older, sorry, younger. So 49 years, 4 months. So the total age at that time was 101 years and 8 months. So the third member, his age on 1st April 2000 should be 148 minus 101 year 4 months, which is 46 years 4 months. The age of that third member should have been 46 years and 4 months. So what was the age of that third faculty member on April 1, 2005? ये कहानी है 2000 की. Question is asking about 2005. So he would grow old by 5 more years. His age was 51 years and 4 months. The correct answer is 51. ये गलत दिया हुआ है D इधर. The right answer for this question should have been 51. The exact age of this person was 51 years 4 months, and if I round it off it would become 51, not 52. So the correct answer for this question should have been 51 only. I am assuming that this is understood to all. 148 में से हमने minus किया 101 years and 8 months. We got 46 years and 4 months. In next 5 years his age increased by 5 years. 46 years 4 months plus 5 years will give you 51 years and 4 months. 51 year 4 months is actually equal to 51 years only. So 51 years is the right answer for us. Okay, everyone, I am assuming that this set is understood to all. It's an old set of CAT. I think it appeared in 2002 or 2003. But yes, it's a good set. In my opinion, it's a good set because it also checks a concept of averages. A person who's good at averages would be able to do this set probably in 2-3 minutes. लेकिन जिसका averages का concept clear नहीं है, he would keep on calculating. When did he retire? When did he join? In which area retired? In which area joined? वो उसको टेंशन में रहेगा, उसको प्रॉब्लम आएगी. And that my person might take 7-8 minutes on this set. Okay, we'll move on to the next set now. So here is another set from the recent CAT now. So please read this data. After that we'll move on. इसमें कुछ डेटा है आपके पास, ये है, उसके बाद ये ग्राफ है, उसके बाद और भी डेटा है. So this all is there. फिर एक और ग्राफ है. So there are 4 graphs on this. So long data, but anyways, let's start reading it. पहले पढ़िए इसको, उसके बाद इसको साथ मिलके करना शुरू करेंगे. Please all of you read it. I'm sure all of you have read it. The Ministry of Home Affairs, okay, is analyzing crimes committed by foreigners in different states and union territories of India. All cases refer to the ones registered against foreigners in 2016. The number of cases classified into three categories: IPC crimes, SLL crimes, and other crimes, for 9 state or UTs as shown in the figure below. These 9 belong to the top 10 states or UTs in the terms of the total number of cases registered. The remaining state that is among top 10 is West Bengal, where all the 520 cases registered were SLL crimes. Okay. So these are the number of crimes given to us: Telangana, Puducherry, Kerala, Haryana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Delhi, and Karnataka. About IPC, SLL, and other crimes, when he said कि West Bengal is not mentioned here, which has got all SLL crimes, and it is 520, way more than any of these. Okay, what more? The table below shows the ranks of the 10 states or UTs mentioned above among all state or UTs of India in terms of the number of cases registered in each of the three category of crimes. A state or UT is given rank R for a category of crimes if there are R minus 1 state or UTs having a larger number of cases registered in that category of crimes. Right? ये मेरे ख्याल से समझ में आती होगी आराम से बात, that if a state or UT is having the same number of crimes as that of other, they both would be given the same rank, and the next one would be given the next rank available after that. So if two states have the same number of cases in a category and exactly three other state UTs have larger number of cases, then they both would be given rank 4, whereas the next would be given rank 6, because उससे ऊपर तो 5 हो गए ना state and UTs. There are 5 state or UTs above the other one, right? I hope you are getting my point. Let's say the top one is having 5 crimes, next is having 4 crimes, next is having 3 crimes. So it is rank 1, it is rank 2, it is rank 3. Now next two, they both are having 2 crimes each. So they both would be ranked 4. But the next one having 1 crime would be ranked 6, because there are 5 states above it. उससे ऊपर तो 5 आ गए. So it would be ranked 6 according to that. This is what it is saying, and these are the ranks given to us. Yes, Pongpol, it's an actual CAT set. और बहुत recent years का है, if I'm not wrong, शायद 2019 or something. And the same set actually appeared in IAFT as well. That's also important point. So these are the details. So what I have done, I have put up this table and this graph on the same page. And I think for some time I'll have to hide myself from here so that you can just look at this. Yeah, hide की बजाय I can also do one thing. I can just decrease my size a little bit. ये भी किया जा सकता है. इतना sufficient है मेरे ख्याल से. I'm not coming in the way of anything, and still you can understand whatever I'm saying. Okay, I have to fill up now that what are the ranks of these one by one. जो बची हुई ranks है वो सब हम लोगों को check करनी है, that who has got what kind of rank. So once we figure that out, after that everything would be asked on these only. अमित has a question, sir, CAT एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन क्या जॉब के साथ हो सकती है? बिल्कुल हो सकती है अमित. रादर जॉब के साथ आपको अपना शेड्यूल कैसे मैनेज करना है, वी कीप टेकिंग सेशंस ऑन दैट. यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट ऑन आवर YT चैनल एज वेल. अगर वहां ना मिले तो आप हमारी ऐप पे चेक कीजिएगा. वी टेक फ्री सेशंस, आई मीन एवरी फ्यू डेज, जिसमें कुछ सेशन हम ऐसे भी लेते हैं, हाउ टू मैनेज योर जॉब विद योर स्टडीज विद योर जॉब. तो वो आपको वहां मिल जाएंगे. प्लीज वॉच दैट, सो दैट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर यू इन माय ओपिनियन. चलिए. Now, first of all, when I talk about IPC crimes, I see Karnataka has a rank of 3, Maharashtra has a rank of 3. That means they both have equal number of IPC crimes. But that definitely means that there are 2 cities or 2 states above them. उनका rank 3 है, इसका मतलब there are 2 states above them. If I look at Karnataka over here, Karnataka has these many IPC crimes, which is around 15, right? और अगर महाराष्ट्र में देखोगे तो that would also be equal to 15. Which two are above them? Delhi is way above it. Goa is second. So can I say Delhi is rank 1 over here and Goa is rank 2 over here? Delhi is rank 1 and Goa is rank 2. Also 1 2 के बाद 3 rank आ जा रही है. So next rank will not be 4. Next rank would be 5. We already have rank 6 over here, which is Telangana. So if Telangana is rank 6, which is around 5 crimes, or rather 3 or 4 crimes, so which city is having more crimes than that? It is Kerala. So therefore Kerala must be having a rank of 5 here. So that ways for IPC crimes, we can get the ranks of all of them. I hope you can understand this point. IPC crimes are maximum for Delhi. So maximum Delhi would be rank 1. Goa is second highest. Goa should be 2. Karnataka and Maharashtra are equal. And after that, I see Kerala is the next. So Kerala should be rank 5. उसके बाद Telangana 6 मुझे दिख रहा है. And other ranks are already given. Let's talk about SLL crimes now. It's already mentioned West Bengal is highest in SLL crimes. They have 520 all SLL crimes. तो वो तो already highest हो गए, उसके बारे में तो बात ही नहीं करते हम लोग, right? What about others now? All other ranks are given. Rank 2 is Karnataka, rank 4 is there. What about Delhi then, right? So if I look at the SLL crimes over here, these are the SLL crimes. Karnataka is rank 2, which is definitely higher than Delhi. Goa is rank 4, which is less than Delhi. This straight away means the rank for Delhi would be actually above that of Goa. So therefore, Delhi would be ranked 3 here. So that ways we also get the rank of Delhi, which is equal to 3. I hope you are getting my point at this point as well. ये भी समझ आ रहा होगा सबको बात मेरी, कोई डाउट नहीं है इसमें. Okay? आगे बढ़ता हूं मैं. Let's come to other crimes. Now, no ranks, almost no ranks are given for other crimes. Now, this is something where we probably have to do a lot of work. Other crimes. Other crimes, may I see the largest is Delhi. So, there is no doubt that Delhi is rank 1. Okay. What about the next one? I see, I think Tamil Nadu or Puducherry, they both can be there. What is Puducherry in numbers? It is, I think, slightly more than 30. Whereas when I look at Tamil Nadu, it is more than 30. So, therefore, Tamil Nadu should be rank 2. I hope you all are with me on this. The third rank would be Puducherry. So it is all about just counting, right? That which one is higher than which one. So वो ही करना है हम लोगों को. Fourth IC is for Karnataka now. Fifth IC is for Goa now. Sixth, I think it should be Kerala. I hope you all would agree. Sixth Kerala hai. Which is the seventh one now? I think seventh is Haryana, right? And I see that Telangana and Maharashtra, they are already mentioned as 8 because दोनों की rank मुझे equal नजर आ रही है इधर. So therefore rank of Delhi is 1, rank of Tamil Nadu is 2, then third rank is for Puducherry, then fourth rank is for Karnataka, let's write here. Fifth is Goa, so I'll write 5 over here. Sixth is Kerala, I would write 6 over here. 7 is Haryana, and then I have 8 and 8, and then 16 for West Bengal. So these are the ranks with us now. और एक बार रैंक मिल गई तो उसके बाद जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा इसी पे तो पूछेगा. ही वुड नॉट बी आस्किंग यू एनी क्वेश्चन बेस्ड अपॉन दैट ग्राफ प्रोबेबली, बट हाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी तो ग्राफ पे वापस भी आ जाएंगे. बट लेट्स सी, ठीक है, कि कहां ग्राफ की जरूरत पड़ती है. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the rank of Kerala in the IPC crimes category? Rank of Kerala in IPC crimes category. So IPC crimes, Kerala's rank, it is equal to 5. So my answer is 5 for this question. I hope you all would agree. The rank of Kerala in IPC crimes category is equal to 5. That is the answer for the first question. Okay, let's move on to the second. In the two states where the highest total number of cases are registered, the ratio of the total number of cases in IPC crimes to the total number in SLL crimes is closest to the answer which one? Total number of IPC to the total number of SLL. Now I need the graph, right? So what are the states with the highest total number of cases? First of all, the highest total number of cases are there in West Bengal, if you guys remember. It has all SLL crimes, that is 520 to 520. The second largest of course would be Delhi. Delhi तो second highest पे था. रैंक से ही देख के पता लग रहा है. Rank is Delhi. Delhi का IPC हमें पता नहीं SLL कितना है. So he is asking you about the IPC of these two, SLL of these two, and find a ratio. IPC of West Bengal is 0, SLL is 520. IPC of Delhi and SLL of Delhi वो हमें चेक करना है, उससे हम लोगों को रेशियो मिल जाएगा. Let's have a look at that as well. ग्राफ पे वापस जाते हैं. So if I look at IPC of Delhi, so just have a look at this. I think this is around 65, if you all agree. This figure is around 65. And when I talk about SLL, जरा SLL देखिए एक बार. SLL is 10, 20, 30, 40, and I think it is around 45. Is that right, guys? 65 and 45 are the numbers approximately. So if they are 65 and 45, so the answer is closest to. अब ये मत सोचेगा अच्छा 45 की बजाय मैं 46 ले लूं तो what if I take 44? It would not change the answer because anyways is asking which one is closest to. Okay. So IPC कितना आया था? अरे मैं तो भूल गया, या शायद 65 था ना, and this is 45. So this total is 65, this total is 565, and I think this is approximately 9 times of that. So therefore my answer should be option C, 1:9. 19, 20, 11, 10, 3, 2, ये तो बहुत नजदीक हो गए ना सारे. 1:9 is way away from all of them. So therefore I can straight away say 1:9. अगर आपने 65 को भी 60 ले लिया होता, 45 को 40 ले लिया होता, 50 ले लिया होता, still you would have said answer is 1:9. एक बात तो पक्की है, that total SLL is higher. So option B and D are anyways gone. बचा A and C. ऑप्शन ए में तो डी कह रहा है ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज. क्लोज भी कहां हो सकता है? SLL is too high, right? So therefore even that could not have been the answer. So therefore our answer for this is option number 2. Sorry, option C. I am assuming ये आपको समझ आ गई होगी बात. It is clear to everyone. Let me just get back to the normal size. Okay. चलिए, let's move on. Next question पे आता हूं मैं. So what is the next one now? Question number 3 on our screen. Which of the following is definitely true about the ranks of states or UTs in the other crimes category? Which of the following is definitely true about the rank of state or UTs in the other crimes? Other crime की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. Tamil Nadu is rank 2. Tamil Nadu is rank 2 is correct. Puducherry is rank 3. Puducherry is rank 3 is correct. That means both of them are correct. So my answer is only 1 and 2. होना चाहिए both 1 and 2 लिखा हुआ है. Only 1 and 2. So option A is the right answer. Next पे आते हैं. What is the sum of the ranks of Delhi in the 3 category of crimes? Okay, दिख ही रहा है. 1 plus 3 plus 1, it is equal to 5. So 5 is the answer for question number 1. Sum of the ranks of Delhi in all the 3 categories together. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 add करो, 5 आता है. So 5 is the right answer. ठीक है, बस एक बार टेबल बनते ही क्वेश्चन हो जाते हैं आसानी से. Now there is an important information to all of you that at BYJU'S Exam Prep we have started something. I mean on just a promotional basis. So that is you can unlock your 3 days free trial access. So for 3 days you can have the trial of our complete app, what kind of content we provide you, the videos that we provide you, online video, offline videos, live classes, everything. So you can join that for 3 days. Just go to the app, write your mobile number, you can start the free trial for that. It's a golden opportunity for all. Also, these are our brilliant results from last year from online classroom program only. Of course, there are many more people. These are the top 5 people who have scored brilliantly there. So you can also be there if you join us for our comprehensive program where we provide you all the things which are written on the screen. 300 plus engaging videos, live sessions, mock tests, practice questions and all of that, including the GDPI and WET preparation. And you can also appear for the scholarship program that we have. It is on 28th of May at 11 a.m. I think it was gone yesterday. So I think we can't talk about it now. Also, I am taking a session tomorrow at 7 p.m. where I'll be talking about why should start your CAT 2020 prep now if you have not started yet. So join me there on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app where I'll be talking about this complete topic. We are also running this series on your YouTube channel and we are also available on all of these media handles. So that's all from my side, guys. Thank you very much. I'm sure you like this class. So I'm of course closing it in a bit hurry because I'm getting these hiccups again and again. So we'll meet again in the next session now. Till then, bye-bye and take care of yourself. Bye, everyone.